You're back with Janet, Level Up with Janet E. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment on Facebook, YouTube, etc., etc. All right, so today we're going to talk about something important. I know I was going to go into gifts of the spirit, things of that nature. We can go into that the last couple of months of 2025. I've just been feeling something in my spirit about just fellowship and loving one another and reconciliation, especially. So that's something that I do want to make sure we talk about today. I see the sun in my face, but I do want to talk about today on this most recent Level Up with Janet E. So just going to go right into it. We have John 13, 34 and 35. It says, "A new commandment I give unto you, that ye love one another as I have loved you, and that ye also love one another. By this shall all men know that you are my disciples, if ye have love for one another." So that is so important right now, with all that's going on in the world, all the tension that's going on in the world. One of the things that's going to hold us together is love. God is love. So God is right in the middle, in the center of everything that we're doing. So if we are talking about being disciples, being Christians, then absolutely love has to be a mandate or a part of that. So over in September, I did a lot of fellowshipping between the Seeds of Fortune, where I won the Rise Award. I was able to do a panel discussion, which was great, and fellowshipping with the young scholars that was there from various schools, Yale, Harvard, all the Ivy League schools. It was a select group of students, but they were just so on point and knowledgeable, and to be able to fellowship and bring the word of faith in God to them was important. There is a lack of right now a real acknowledgement of how big and how voluminous God's love is for us. His love supersedes and exceeds everything and anything that can trespass or come against us. So we have to be strong as Christians and also hold each other up with love as we're going through different trials and different things. So right now there's a lot of confusion in the world. There's a lot of things that are going on that's making us think opposite, even Christians, opposite of what we should be thinking. But the love that's going to pour out from Christian to Christian to Christian is what's going to hold us up. And that's through God's love. That's a showing an example of how Jesus loved us and how God pours his love on us, into us. So, just reconciling with your brother and sister is part of that love. So whether it be through, Christian brother or sister, or natural brother and sister, family member, someone who you have an ought with, reconcile. Reconciliation is so important right now, because we got to get our minds right. We got to get ourselves right and have a righteous remnant, a righteous standard before we can fully pour out what is God's love on other people. Forgiveness is the central thing. Forgiving and just letting go, reconciling back to your brother and sister and your fellow Christians and everyone you feel like that you had an ought with, because that's what's going to make you better and make you more able to pour out love, God's love onto other people. So it's an ever circling, it's a cycle that you have to keep on refreshing, keep on renewing in order to build up. Because ultimately God's love, it covers a multitude of sins. So anything that you have done, anything anybody else has done, God has forgiven. So our mandate is to forgive as well. All right, my Level Up lovelies, I love you, and I hope that you'll continue to pour out your love onto others throughout the year. We're going to talk about gifts of the Spirit the next time, and hope that you have a blessed time as we go into the fall, into October, and I will talk to you in the next Level Up with Janet E. Love you, my Level Up lovelies. Bye-bye.